Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to reduce puffiness and facial bloating and really helping with circulation within the facial area by doing lymphatic drainage and lymphatic drainage massage release at the end to really help reduce those toxins and waste as well within the facial area. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 7 years and I'm really passionate about skincare to help you on your skincare journey. Now, first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and I'm using, as always, a little bit of facial oil just so you've got some slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling at it. Now, I am in my mid-50s, so you do tend to lose collagen and elastin within the skin, so you kind of need a little bit of help so you're not, again, dragging or pulling. Now, we're just gently applying all along the facial area first with the facial oil and also the neck area. So let's first of all just get everything opening up. So we're going to start off with the big SEM muscle at the side of the neck, which comes from the ear all the way down to the collarbone. So just taking the flat of the hand for more surface area, I'm placing my hands behind my ear and just gently and lightly sweeping in a downwards motion from the back of the ear down the SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And we just do one side at a time, and then on the other side, opening everything up. So now starting with the collarbone, and we're going to work from the neck area, then the facial area, and then finish off with the drainage. So again, with flat of the hand for more surface area, where our collarbone is here, just underneath, we're just very gently gliding now from under the collarbone towards the armpit. Again, this is very light and delicate. And again, on the other side. You can do these once or twice a day. Obviously, if you want to spend a little bit more time on a certain area, feel free. And then from the collarbone, flat of the hand, lifting in upwards motion towards the chin area, and then gliding under the chin and jawline and down the big SCM muscle again, and back to our starting position. So let's just do this a few times. Again, really nice and light. And then on the other side. And whatever product you've placed onto your face and neck is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So it's almost, dare I say, double bubbling in a way with its ingredients, whichever product you've placed. So now we're going to work on the under the jawline and double cheek and the chin area here, which tends to get a little bit slacky, particularly if you've got any water retention here. So placing our thumb under our chin, fingers above into a hook, and just gently glide all the way along. I'll come a bit closer so you can see. Again, really nice, light, delicate touch. It's probably one of my favourite moves. It really does make a difference. And then from the side of the ear, just gliding down the SCM muscle. That's from the front side, and then coming down again, down the SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And then with the fingers, from the jawline, we're lifting upwards towards the cheekbone and gliding along, incorporating the lower part of the face, going nice, light and delicate. And then with our fingers here, just gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, we're working around the eye area here. You just want to place it between the eyes. And first of all, let's just gently glide down either side of the nose. And then again, under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then with the ring finger under the eyes where the bone is. You don't want to go too high up and you don't want to be dragging or pulling. So just really nice, light, feather-light touch all along. really helping with any puffiness and bloating here, and water retention. And then under the eyebrows. And then with the fingers here, we're just now working in an upwards motion from the bridge of the nose along the forehead towards the hairline, and just slowly work from the eyebrow, working along the forehead towards the hairline and back again. Again, nice and light. The lymph is very close to the surface of the skin. And again, if you want to spend a bit more time, feel free. Now, I do have started a membership. If you'd like to become a member, that'd be great, and really get on with our community of like-minded people, if you like. So if you'd like to just check that out, I will leave that in my descriptions. And also I do have an email, if you'd like to send me an email and just tell me if there's any other skincare concerns you have, and I can really help you with those as well. And then placing our fingers and interconnecting them, just just gently gliding along the forehead area, nice and light. And then again with the ring finger under the eyes. Feather light touch by the nose and under the cheekbones. Again, we're really working lightly now. Lower part of the face. And then again, thumb placed under the jawline, fingers above, just gently gliding along. Under the jawline here towards the ears. And then we're going to place our fingers into almost like a scissor shape, and you want some fingers in front and some fingers behind, and just gently glide down the side of the ear here, either side, and then on the other side, fingers in a V shape in front and behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then taking the fingers, you just want to massage in a very light round circular motion, and you want to work along the occipital bone, so literally the bottom of the head, the top of the neck. Just give it a very light massage, and then just gently glide down one hand at a time with the flat of the hand down the back of the neck and the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, again, feather light touch. I always want to swallow while I'm doing this. And then for a final lymphatic drainage release, which is really important, we've moved all the lymphatics here to really help with the bloating. We're actually helping with reducing toxins and waste within the lymph. So from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we just have some indentations, if you like. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. Now, I will place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up, and please comment down below and tell me how you found this facial lymphatic drainage, and I really do hope it helps, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.